It's May 27th. Little follow-up from yesterday's post about rain plus cow equals mud. Here's the paddock that they just come out of. They hit the corners pretty hard. Here's what happened here. A lot of pugging. We got rain again last night. These cows have driven all this alfalfa and ryegrass either down. We got carbon armor for sure down, but we moved them into this paddock. They'll be in there for today. We got to go up and change their water situation, which has been a challenge as well. We're grazing here in Bennett Valley, Wisconsin. We're trying to keep dry feet here at WDF.